y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be packing my brand new vintage Louis Vuitton Epi Leather Keepall 45. So this is my first time using the bag and first time setting it up, which I'm really excited to use this. I'm going on a little weekend trip to see my sister for her birthday and really excited to try this out. So we're not going to be bringing a lot because it is a little weekend trip, but I'm still excited to use this as my personal item nonetheless. So I am going to start by packing my cloth and paper cosmetic case. So this is their contoured leather, which is which is their version of the Epi leather, and I'm really excited to try this out in here. I just came back from a trip for Virginia, so I have already a lot of stuff in here, probably more than I need, but we're just going to keep it in here for fun. And then I got some new things recently. I have two previous videos that went up. One was a vlog where I went shopping to get stuff for this trip, and then another was the unboxing video. And so I'm going to be putting in stuff that I purchased in the vlog in this video. So here's everything that we currently have. So I have mascaras, eyeshadow primer. This is a dual end brush. I have eyeshadow primer, eyeliner, everything in here. I have my dry bar brush. I have this little Dior bag of like samples that you get from shopping. I love using these for travel. So I have an extra razor in here, eyeshadow remover, or eyeshadow makeup remover from Chanel, some Capture Total from Dior, and then in my most recent trip from Chanel, I got some of the Mousse cleanser. So this is the face cleanser that I use, and so we're gonna put those in there, and so we're packed on that. I also got a new lip balm, and I'm going to keep one in my purse and then one in the bathroom, but for now while we're traveling we're going to put that in there. So we have my mascaras, lip balm, everything else, so we're good on that. This is a little organizer that Cloth and Paper also sells with the vanity case. I highly recommend it to keep things organized. I currently have a hot toddy in here that's very full, so I don't have to worry about adding any more of that. But I did grab a few additional items. I'm currently debating though, do I want to keep those there or put them out here? So I got this little trio. I'll have everything linked below that I can link. Y'all, I'm like batch filming, so if I repeat things, I apologize. But I have everything linked below that I can link, so I've already said that. So I grabbed this when I went to Nordstrom, and it just has a little bit of everything that I use. So I need more dry shampoo and triple sec from Dry Bar, and as y'all saw, I already have the hot toddy. But you can never run out or have enough, especially with how frequently we've been traveling. So I got this set because it did save some money. So we'll be bringing these two with. Actually, this is a bigger hot toddy. So this is actually a really good deal because this little one I think was like 10 bucks and it's like half the size. I did get at Ulta too, but yeah. So we have these in there. We'll add the hot toddy, and then I had to get the hairspray extra. I have no idea where I put it, but we'll put that in there when I find it. I purchased I brought another face cleanser. Let's put this in here too. So I have 3 of these. Sorry guys, I'm a little all over the place with back-to-back travel. It's a lot to keep up with, so. Anyways, we have this. What I'm thinking is maybe I'll keep the brush separate because I have and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I shared it on Instagram, but this is the new tweed, 2 of the new tweed eyeshadows from Chanel. Look how pretty these are. And they come with like matching cases, and it's just like vintage Chanel, which I absolutely love. But this is the Rose. We'll call it Rose, but it's 04 in the tweed. There was a third one, and I think it was just too colorful for me, so I didn't grab that one. And then this is more neutral, and the one I'm more than likely going to use. This is number 1. And y'all look at those colors. And then it has the tweed texture, which is just so cute. So got both of these. And I figured this would be day and this would be evening. And we're gonna put these in the middle. Although, and that way they're secure as well. Yeah, I really like that. So I'll keep the brush on the side, and then I'll keep this little bag here, and then I'll need to add like makeup wipes in here. I ran out while we were gone. Oh, there's the hairspray. I have my hairspray again, guys, sorry, all over the place. We'll put that here. I'm debating, we'll just leave this as is. So that's in here, and then I need to grab another deodorant because I ran out of that in Virginia as well, and put that in here. But that's everything that will be in this case. And I'm gonna run to Target probably tomorrow to get that last minute stuff. But here's the case. And so we're gonna put this into the Keepall. And let's just, don't know if this is the best way to film it, but we're gonna see. So it does take up a good amount of space, but I kind of expected that. Here's what it looks like inside. And again, organizer from Amazon is in here, and then I also have a base protector at the bottom as well. So we have that. I do plan on taking my Louis Vuitton medium ring or agenda with. So we have that. So we'll put this in here as well. I have my pochette accessory, and most people use this as a handbag. I primarily use it just as an accessory. There's a lot of wires in here that I don't need to bring, as well as my work phone. I did work while we were in Virginia, so I don't need to worry about that this weekend since I'm off. So let's just kind of reset this bag. So I will keep the pens in here. I don't know how many hairs I got in here. This is my work mouse. We're gonna take that out. I do need my charger. We're gonna keep the pens in, as I mentioned. We'll put the charger in. I'm not gonna bring my Apple Watch. Probably should, but I am gonna bring my laptop just in case things pop up with school. So we'll put these in. And then let me grab my laptop block. And so when I do bring a lot, I typically use my Gucci pouch, which is right here. And I don't know if I want to use the pouch or use the pochette accessory. I kind of want to keep it light. But I figured I could probably put my planner in here if I wanted to. I don't know, we'll keep this to the side. I might or might not use it, we'll see. But that is all the tech in here. And so we'll put that here as well. All right, y'all. So I paused the video. My camera died, and then I also just needed to take everything out and kind of reset because I realized that because I got a shorter organizer, my MacBook actually doesn't fit in the slot, like the large slot that it's designed for. And that's fine because I'll actually put my iPad in there, and I use my iPad on the plane as opposed to my MacBook. So that actually works out perfectly. However, because my MacBook is so large, I'm not gonna be able to carry my cosmetic case, I don't believe. So I kind of wanted just to experiment with you guys, take everything out and start with the MacBook and then just see everything that fits, as well as move a few things around in different SLGs. So here is my 16-inch MacBook Pro, and so it's all the way at the edge right now. And here is that same cosmetic case, and this is the same size as the BB. And so for reference, well, I guess they do both fit. It's just, I feel like it'll be limited on what else I can bring. Let me see if this will, how this closes though. Yeah, I don't know if I want to have it close like that is my only thing. So I don't think if I have my MacBook Pro with me, I'll put this in here, the cosmetic case. I think I'll probably just end up packing this because I don't want to wear on the bag. And also this MacBook is very heavy, so and this is, you know, heavy as well, so I feel like it should be an either or situation. So we're actually going to take this out, and I'm actually going to pack this in my suitcase, which is the other carry-on. So we're going to start fresh with the MacBook in here. But just so y'all know, it does fit. If you're okay with how like it like the bag leans up against it, it will fit. I also don't think it can fit too much in there, and I don't want to pack this with the MacBook. So we're gonna adjust a few things, and sorry if this video is all over the place, but again, this is me packing this for the first time, and it also gives y'all a great what fits. So yeah, here's the Gucci pouch again. And so I actually moved things around, and we're gonna keep all the pens and tech in here. My AirPods will go in here and so on. I wonder if my planner will actually fit in here. Probably not because of how big that base is. Here's my medium ring agenda. And if you have a Kindle or like a smaller tablet, it fits in here. Oh, actually, does it fit in here with the big block? I don't think it does. If it does, we're keeping the agenda in here as well, but I don't think it will. I know. Oh, it does. Oh, that's nice. So you can put your medium ring agenda in here with the large MacBook charger, and then I have another base for my phone. Oh, that's so nice. I didn't know that. So that helps keep everything compact. So let's put that in here. It doesn't look like it'll close because of the agenda, which is fine. I don't need it to close. So we'll do that. And then for the pochette accessory, I actually moved everything that will be in my purse. You can also use this as a purse, which is one of the reasons why I love it. This was actually my first like bag from Louis Vuitton, and I still use it every day to keep like organizational items in it, but I have my car keys, hand sanitizer, and my wallet in here. And based on whatever purse I'm going to bring, which I haven't decided yet, unless I just use this, which I actually might now that I'm thinking about it, I'll just need to grab the strap. We'll keep those items in there. So we have that, and then we'll need to put my sunglasses in here, so we'll use one of the pockets on the side. So we have that. And then we have my cosmetic case. This is what I always carry in my purses. So it has lip balm, hand cream, purse spray, a mirror, ibuprofen, and then just some mascaras, like sample mascaras and stuff from Chanel and Dior that come with your purchases. I like carrying them around and using them for travel because of their size. So we'll put that in here. Okay, and so that is actually a good amount, especially because with how I'll be traveling, I don't want to put too much in here because this does go underneath the seat and I will be carrying it. So this is everything and how it fits. And guys, I'm excited to use this and try it out. Of course, I'll do like a follow-up video or a review. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.